Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to enable HVCI for Valorant. Alright, so let's begin. I'm going to show you how to enable HVCI in Valorant so you can launch the game without encountering errors related to core isolation or memory integrity. So in order to enable HVCI in Valorant, you have to follow these steps. First of all, you need to check if virtualization is enabled on your system. Go to the search bar on your Windows PC, type run and hit enter. In the run menu, type msinfo32 and press enter. This opens the system information page. Scroll down and look for Hyper-V, hypervisor or virtualization. Make sure it is enabled. If it's not, you'll need to enable it in your BIOS settings before continuing. Next, go back to the search bar and type device security, then press enter. Open the core isolation details tab and check memory integrity. If it's turned off, go ahead and turn it on. If it's already on, try turning it off and then back on. After making this change, restart your computer. Once your PC restarts, launch Valorant to see if the error is resolved. If the problem persists, the next step is to open gpedit.msc from the search bar and hit enter. Click yes if prompted, which will open the Microsoft Management Console. For me, it is giving this error, but if it is opened for you in the console, navigate to Administrative Templates, then go to System and find Turn on Virtualization Based Security. Double click it, set it to enabled, hit apply, then OK, restart your computer again. After your PC restarts, HVCI should be fully enabled and you should be able to launch Valorant without any HVCI or core isolation errors. And that's it. This is how you can enable HVCI for Valorant. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.